I'm attorney Nick Alcock. I want to tell you a little bit about my law firm and talk about really what is important to me as the owner of a law firm and as a practicing attorney. Years ago, I worked for a lawyer in California when I was in college, and I was a paralegal for this attorney, and he was one of these older attorneys who had been around the block many, many times. And he told me something which has always stuck with me, and I'm so glad he shared this with me. And what he told me was, what you have to concentrate on is making sure that your clients have all the information that they need to make the right decision. And as an attorney, that is your number one job, is to make sure that the client is totally aware of the predicament that they're in, and they are completely aware of what their options are. And if you focus on that, then it puts your client in the best position where they have the most information and they have the best ability to make decisions that are incredibly important to them. And as an attorney, now I've been practicing for over a decade, and I have found that that piece of advice is enormously valuable. And one thing that I do with all my clients is that they have my cell phone number, and they can call me up and they can ask any question that they have. And I've also noticed that clients will come in for a consultation, or they'll come in for a meeting with me, and maybe they'll forget a couple questions. And I always say, you can call me later. If you remember that you had a question about something, just call me later. Let's resolve this. Let me give you the most information that I can possibly give you to help you through what typically is a very difficult time. And I always want to involve my clients in their case. So I'm not making decisions for my clients ever. I work for my clients and not the other way around. And so if you retain me, what you'd find is we're going to take the time to educate you as far as what the court system is like. We're going to educate you as to process. We're going to educate you as to the facts of your particular case and how those facts mesh with the law. And then when we're done with that, we typically are going to give you a range of choices that you can then choose from, and make sure that you are as educated as possible and that you're going to make the right decision. We never ever tell a client what to do, but we just want to put that client in the best position so that they can make the right decision for themselves. So if you are in a position where you need to speak with an attorney and you're confused about what the law is and how it applies to you, that's really what we're here for. And I think one of the reasons why we've been so successful is we're willing to take the time to sit down with people and educate them as to what they're facing. So all you have to do is give us a call at 602-989-5000, find out a little bit more about our firm, find out about the law and how it applies to you, and hopefully at the end of that you'll feel much, much better about your situation. Thanks so much.